Hey, it's Phae, and this is Day with Phae. Today we're going to be talking about a really sexy topic, which is product buildup in your scalp. Personally, I thought every single person had product buildup. I really did. And then I talked to my husband about it a couple of weeks ago, and I explained to him what happens to my scalp, and he was very confused, and that's when I realized it doesn't happen to everybody. For me personally, how I know I have product buildup, and this is kind of gross, but I'm gonna let you know anyway. I take my nail, I scratch my scalp slightly, not intensely, and if white stuff is there, white gunk that's like waxy, that's product buildup. And for my whole entire life, I've never been able to get rid of that. No like oil treatment, nothing. Like honestly, I have never been able to conquer it. I just thought it was something that I live with. Then I learned about these two products and I decided to give them a try. There are other things that you can use to get rid of product buildup, but I was looking for something that was formulated without sulfates, silicones, and it did not have coconut oil in it. Recently, I've completely changed my whole entire hair routine, and I'll post that for you guys as soon as I'm 100% happy with it. I'm still like finagling it, but my hairstylist, who is amazing and I trust her opinion 100%, she told me that coconut oil is not as good as we think it is for hair or for your scalp or skin. Your hair can react to it in a way where it dries it out because of some sort of protein sensitivity. So completely had to get rid of my whole entire routine because all of it had coconut oil, and it made sense because I felt like I had to consistently wash my hair, i.e. like condition it every single day for it to be okay. So the first product that I chose was the DevaCurl Buildup Buster Micellar Water Cleansing Serum. And the second one that I got is the Amika Reset Pink Charcoal Scalp Cleansing Oil. Will these both disappoint? Will one of them outshine the other? Tune in to find out. Also want to let you guys know that I have timestamps in the description below for when each product review begins. So first up, I'm going to talk about the Amika Reset Pink Charcoal Scalp Cleansing Oil. This one I tried first because it said to use on dry, unwashed hair, whereas the DevaCurl one says to wet your curls first before putting it on. So I applied this product to my roots and massaged to distribute. One thing that I noticed right off the bat was that it's very easy to get the product out of the nozzle. The nozzle was really seamless to use. Then I had to wait 3 to 5 minutes to rinse. I waited 5 minutes. Afterwards, water transforms this into a milky texture and creates a light foam that washes away clean. After that, I followed that with my conditioner. And it says to use this weekly. So I asked my husband to comment on the smell because he could literally like smell my scalp, whereas I can't. And he said that the smell was pretty neutral and also with a hint of a tropical element to it. Now this cleansing oil retails for $25 and this is for 6.7 ounces, which means that it is $3.73 per ounce. Next up is the DevaCurl Buildup Buster Micellar Water Cleansing Serum. Now for this, it says to first wet your curls in the shower. Use the pointed tip to target the scalp. One thing that I was noticing while using this is that the nozzle is good, but the Amika nozzle is better. If I squirted it too much, it just went all over the place. Also, I asked my husband what he thought of the smell, and he said that it was pretty neutral, but it did have a little bit of a chemical element to it, and I also noticed that as well. I massaged all over and worked it through the mid-lengths and the ends as the directions state. Then I rinsed thoroughly by massaging as the water runs through the curls. And then after that, I followed up with my normal conditioner. And it also says to use weekly, or as needed. So this retails for $28 and this is for 8 ounces, which comes out to $3.50 per ounce. So technically, this is a little more economical than the Amika serum. So which one was better? Drumroll please. Bum ba da da. They both did really, really well. It's actually pretty crazy because like I said at the beginning of this video, I have never in my life found something that worked with my buildup and got rid of it. But they both got rid of it and it was just amazing. Like I just feel so nice touching my scalp, which I know I'm not supposed to do because I'm gonna create some frizz, but I think that they got rid of about, like if I had to guess, I would say that the DevaCurl got rid of 96% of my product buildup and the Amika got rid of slightly more, like 98%. And how I like compared that was, like I said, this is a little gross. Took a little nail swab of the product buildup and then compared how much was on each, and they both had little to none, but this had a little bit less, if that makes sense. So if I had to choose a winner, I would actually choose the Amika one. I know it's slightly more expensive, but I think that the nozzle is amazing. It makes it easy. I never noticed any like heavy spillage, and I did end up using that one twice. Didn't have any problems with that, and the smell was pretty good. One thing to note is I would really try to concentrate this more on the scalp versus the hair, like DevaCurl was saying, just because it could be drying. I personally didn't notice anything drying. I feel like my hair is completely rejuvenated and just on a whole nother level. Like my hair feels so soft to the touch, which is something that I only experienced when I got out of the like DevaCurl hair salon. I think that this is a really good thing to do for your scalp if you guys have product buildup. Highly recommend it. I think that both are a good option for sure. If one store doesn't have the Amika, or if one store only has the Amika, or vice versa, it's a winner nonetheless. And I hope that this video was super helpful for you guys, and if it was, give me a thumbs up. I always genuinely appreciate it. And if you haven't already, I would love for you to subscribe. All you gotta do is click my face here, or you can watch one of these videos that are pretty informational. Bye guys.